As people know that, the COVID-19 pandemic originated from Wuhan, China, has affected more than 200 countries with a total of more than 60 million cases. The entry for most of the countries has been banned. As for Malaysia, the citizens who are stranded in other countries will be able to go back to their home country, but with some processes. All passengers traveling into Malaysia are required to undergo 14-day mandatory quarantine at dedicated centers upon arrival at Kuala Lumpur International Airport (KLIA). But the problem arises when people who are supposed to undergo a quarantine has broken the quarantine rules. Due to the negligence of these people, cases have spiked to 4 digits. With that, we have come up with a solution that could help to solve the problems. In which, with the implementation of CovidWatch Application, this app will help to track the current location of the patient under investigation and to make sure the PUI didn't break any rules. The application is developed and managed by 4 manpowers who has successfully come up with the development. This is the organizational structure of safe and secure company. As for the target market, we are currently targeting the quarantine facilities who are registered under the government of Malaysia. The quarantine facilities can be hotels or designated space that has been approved by the government. However, few applications are considered as a rival to us. As for now, the national competitors are MySejahtera, Hiew Tze Neng, and Community Application. With that, we believe, with the existence of this application, the authorities could be able to have a smoother process without worrying about the risks. In which, the authorities can monitor the movement of the person under investigation to avoid them breaking the quarantine rules. Also, the main goal to provide a safe and non-physical contact operation in the government facilities will be met. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the CovidWatch app demo. Welcome to the CovidWatch app demo. Firstly, are you a management or a person under investigation? If you are a management, you will able to see 4 available features. The first feature is the ability for the management to see the check-in and the next swab test date. Secondly, the management would be able to track the live location of the PUI. This is to monitor the movement inside the facilities. The third feature is the ability for the management to update the food timetable on weekly basis. And the last feature, the management should be able to see and respond to the PUI messages and query. These are all the features that are available for the management. Moving to the person under investigation point of view, the PUI should be able to see 3 features. Firstly, the PUI should be able to see their swab test details and results. They will be able to know either their swab test results are positive or negative. Next, the second feature is the PUI should be able to display their daily meal that were updated by the management. And the last feature is the Need Help section. The PUI should be able to send a query if there are any problems or questions. These are all the features that are available for the person under investigation view. Thank you for watching the CovidWatch app demo.